Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Karen. I have to say that I had such a special Lunar New Year. First of all, we sent Chico to a pet training school to get rid of his high sensitivity because he has a fear of strange people and things. So a certain training is necessary for him. At the same time, we met Jello there and we decided to adopt him. I believe everyone has seen him in the short videos and the pictures I posted. Well, in today's video, I want to share with you a new bracelet design. The theme color is green, which is the color of spring and represents hope and rebirth. So I chose high quality green nephrite from Russia as the main body of the bracelet. Very nice color without any black spots. For the focal bead, I'm gonna use a Yanyuan Agate donut that has a light orange. It brings a sense of vitality to the jewelry. The green nephrite bead is 8 mm. So we can use 4 cords of 0.8 mm green elastic cord. And we need the open end needle. And of course the wrist gauge to measure the wrist size of 6.5 inches. Open end needle. Now thread the cord with the needle like this. 4 cords. Thread the nephrite beads. And as usual, I will do the quality check when threading the beads. And the agate donut, and we thread the rest of the beads of the bracelet. Now measure the wrist size. We need 1 more bead. Now it's perfect. Take out the needle. And then you see the 4 cords here. These 2 cords pass through the 2 loops here, like this. And then pull all the beads to the loop side. Now tie 2 knots. 1 is just a normal knot. And 2. Make sure it's tight enough. Before you cut the cords, leave it a little bit like this. Now tuck the knot into the hole of the bead. And it's done. As always, easy making DIY project. It has a nice color contrast, and visually it is very comfortable to look at. I hope this bracelet can bring you a refreshing feeling, and the design is suitable for this season. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.